Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 19,883 miles on the odometer. Truck is shifting nice and smooth. The steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of vibration to it. Absolutely gorgeous interior. This truck is very clean inside and out. Brakes feel good. Shifts perfect. Really no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. That wheel looks amazing. Got a ton of tread left. Tiny little scuff right here on the flare. The rest of that looks good. Paint here is pretty. Here on the mirror, we have a rock chip there. The rest of that's in great condition. A-pillar looks good. You do have film on that door edge protecting it. Lower side looks nice. That door looks good. And then check that out. Normally those have tons of swirls, and that's nice and clean. Got the film there. One rock chip on the handle. The rest of that bed looks good. Got a little stain of some sort here. That wheel looks nice. Bed liner. That looks good. You got the window tint here. It looks like maybe like 30-35%. You do have film on 1/3 of the hood here, so from here down, that is protected. That edge looks nice. Upper section there looks good. You do have a little rock impact right there. You're going to have a few small rock chips on that lower section. Little chip there. All typical wear and tear, if you want to call it that. Just a couple rock impacts. Other than that, looks good. Little marking on the flare. The rest of that looks nice. That wheel's perfect. Side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar's good. The doors look nice. Just kind of scanning through all of this. That looks good. That wheel's perfect. The light looks nice. Got the tailgate applique here. Looks amazing. Looking at the plastic on the edge. That's in great condition. Not seeing any other flaws that stand out here. This is all really nice. It looks brand new under here. Very clean. Beautiful truck. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and it is really, really nice. A couple scuffs on the plastic. Upper section here looks good. Got the memory seating. All of that looks nice. Got the Ford Performance trim here. That's in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster. That looks amazing. Same with that bolster. Seat back looks good. Middle looks nice. Looking at the steering wheel, still has a nice matte finish to it. Not chewed up or anything. I'm not seeing any scuffs on it. Got a little scuff right there if you want to pick apart that. Buttons look good. All of those look nice. Upper side of the dash is clean. I don't see any flaws on that screen. Heated cool seats, trailer brake controller. I mean, it's got it all. Got the shifter in here. All of that looks really, really good. Here on the front right door panel, that looks good. Got the all-weather mats. The kick plate area is clean. That seat looks really good. This side of the console's clean. I'm not seeing any flaws there. Got your ports here. Couple tiny markings right there on that plastic. That looks good. Upper side of the dash looks good. Massive panoramic roof. Really not much to pick apart on this side. Here on the back right panel, that looks good. Trim is clean. Got the all-weather mats. Seat back looks good. All of this looks really nice. I do see a little stain right there on the headliner, or at least just some sort of thing on the surface. It might come out. And you can see the storage underneath that seat. Then we're just going to scan through the engine bay here. All of this is nice and clean. Looking on the underhood liner, that's in great condition.